Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some new Windows 11 25 H2 features that Microsoft is introducing. These updates are currently available in the dev channel of the Windows Insider program, but they'll soon arrive for everyone in the main release over the next few weeks or months. The main highlight of this update is the new dark mode UI that Microsoft is adding to various dialogues in Windows 11. I'll also show you how to enable these features if you're part of the dev channel. To access them, you need to be on build 26220.6972 or newer, Windows 11 25 H2 dev channel. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss future updates. Let's get started. To enable these features, we'll use a tool called Vive Tool. This tool allows you to activate hidden Windows features that Microsoft is gradually rolling out. They exist in the system but aren't enabled by default. You'll find a link to download the latest version in the video description below. Choose the correct one for your processor, Intel or AMD. After downloading it, open File Explorer, click Extract All, and select a dedicated folder, for example. Create one named Hidden Features on your C drive. Copy the folder's location, you'll need it soon. Then click Extract to unpack the files. Once extracted, open the Start menu, type CMD, and choose Run as administrator to open Command Prompt. When the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. In Command Prompt, type CD followed by the folder path you copied earlier. This will open the directory where Vive Tool is located. Now, you'll need to run a few commands. These commands were discovered by Phantom of Earth on X, formerly Twitter, so big thanks to him. You can find his profile link in the pinned comment. There are 4 commands in total. The first one enables the dark mode feature. The second activates dark mode for the run dialog. The third enables dark mode for the folder options window. The last one ensures all changes apply properly. After entering each command, make sure you see the message saying, "Successfully set feature configuration." Once all commands are done, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. After restarting, you'll notice the new changes. The Run dialog box now supports dark mode, which looks sleek and modern, a great improvement for those who prefer darker themes. The drop-down menu also adopts the dark theme for a consistent look. Next, open File Explorer, click the 3 dots at the top, and select Options. The Folder Options dialog now also supports dark mode across all tabs, giving Windows 11 an overall more polished and unified appearance. That's it. You've successfully enabled the new dark mode UI features in Windows 11 25 H2 using Vive Tool. If you'd like to see all the commands and steps mentioned, check out the article linked below in the video description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss future videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.